Jai Hind to all my dear students. I, Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Now, today I will discuss dual combustion cycle. This chapter comes under the subject of thermodynamics. Now, dual combustion cycle, this is also called combination of Otto cycle and diesel cycle, and this is also called semi-diesel engine. So here we draw during this discussion of this dual combustion cycle, I will derive the efficiency. How can find the efficiency of the dual combustion cycle, because this is the combination of the Otto cycle and diesel cycle. So this is the more difficult to find the efficiency of dual combustion cycle. So be careful and be concentrate on the how can I derive or how can I find the efficiency of dual combustion cycle. Now, at first I will draw PV diagram, pressure volume diagram and temperature entropy diagram. Now here this is pressure and this is the volume, and here one, two, three, four, and 5. And here we draw the graph between the temperature and entropy. So here 1 to 2, this is the compression. Compression, it means here entropy is constant and here entropy is constant, and heat is added at the position of the 2 to process at the process of 2 to 3. 2 to 3, this is isoporic process. Isoporic process, volume constant. So here we can write V2 is equal to V3, and here this is at heat addition Q1 at the process 2 to 3. This is the isoporic process, and 3 to 4 this is the isobaric process, because here cost P3 is equal to P4. Okay, this is isobaric, this is isoporic, and heat rejected at the process 5 to 1, this is also isoporic process. Here V1 is equal to V5. Now from here, from 1 to 2 entropy constant. So here entropy, this is the entropy constant, and 4 to 5 is also entropy. Entropy, it means reversible adiabatic process, and here we indicate here 1, 2, and here 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Okay. Now 5 to 1 meet this 5 to 1, and here 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is two process is working on. First 2 to 3 is the isoporic process, and 3 to 4 is isobaric process. So here this is isoporic process, and here meet at the point 3. This is isoporic process, volume constant, and this is isobaric process, pressure is equal to constant, and heat is added at 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. Here heat added how much? Q1, and heat rejected at 5 to 1, here Q2. Okay, inside of this, in dual combustion cycle, one reversible compressible process or isentropic compression process, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 heat addition at constant volume and at constant pressure. That is also called isochoric process and isobaric process. And 4 to 5 isentropic expansion process. Isentropic expansion process, it means reversible adiabatic expansion process. Here entropy is constant, and 5 to 1 is heat rejection at constant volume. So here 2 isentropic process, 2 isochoric process, and 1 isobaric process. Okay, and we draw TS diagram by the help of PV diagram. How can I draw TS diagram by the help of? We understand this. Okay, now we have to find out the efficiency. What is the efficiency? Efficiency, we know that efficiency is equal to work done by a stroke volume. Sorry, efficiency work done. Sorry, efficiency is equal to work done upon heat supplied. What is work done? Work done, heat supplied minus heat rejected by heat supplied. Heat supplied minus heat rejected by heat supplied. So here we can write 1 minus Q2 upon Q1. Okay, now one efficiency is equal to 1 minus Q2 upon Q1, and find the value of the Q1 and Q2. Heat supplied, we can find out the total heat supplied. Total heat supplied. How much total heat supplied? Here we can total heat supplied. Q1 is Q1. Here I can write in this space heat supplied. Total heat supplied Q1 is equal to here at constant volume. So mCV T3 minus T2 plus here 3 to 4 at constant pressure. So mCP T4 minus T3. T4 is higher than T3, so T4 minus T3. This is the Q1. It means heat supplied. Total heat supplied. And Q2 is equal to heat rejected. Heat rejected at constant volume. So here mCV T5 minus T1. So efficiency is equal to 1 minus Q2. It means mCV T5 minus T1 by mCV T3 minus T2 plus mCP T4 minus T3. Okay, now we can write efficiency is equal to 1 minus we divide MCV in both numerator and denominator, so this will be cancelled, and here only for T5 minus T1 by MCV cancel, so here T3 minus T2 plus here divided by MCV, and here also divided by MCV, and here also divided by MCV. Both will be cancelled. This cancel. Cp by Cv is equal to gamma adiabatic index. Here T4 minus T3. Okay. Now I have to convert all of the temperature T1, T2, T3, T5 in terms of T4. So before discussing of this, before going the relationship, we finalize the what is the relationship between the volume and pressure temperature in each process. So here RK compression ratio, this is the ratio of the compression at the beginning to the end. So here 1 and here 2, beginning V1 upon V2. Expansion ratio RE is equal to expansion V5 upon V4, and here RP pressure ratio P3 by P2, and cutoff ratio RC is equal to V4 by V3, and here we see the relationship between the compression ratio, expansion ratio and cutoff ratio. RK is equal to RC into RE. Now how can I say RK compression ratio is equal to cutoff ratio into expansion ratio? Let us see RC. What is the value of RC? V4 by V3, and RE V5 by V4, and here we cancel V4 this and find how much? V5 by V3, and here V5 we can write V1 is equal to V5, so here V1 by V3, V2 is equal to V3, so here V2, and this is the ratio of the compression ratio. So we can write RK is equal to RC into RE. Okay. Now going to next. For process process 3 to 4, here pressure constant, so PV is equal to MRT. So here pressure constant, it means volume is directly proportional to the temperature. Volume is directly proportional to the temperature. So V3 by V4 is equal to T3 by T4. So find the value of the T3, V3 by V4 into T4. What is the value of the V3 by V4? We can write 1 by RC into T4. This is the T3 is equal to. Now in process 3 to 2, this is the volume constant. So pressure is directly proportional to the in process 2 to 3, here 3 to 4, and here in process 2 to 3. So I'm finding a problem from move here and there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the diagram between the pressure. So here in process 2 to 3, volume constant. So here pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. So P2 by P3 is equal to T2 by T3. So here we can find T2 is equal to P2 by P3 into T3. And what is the value of the here pressure ratio? P3 by P2 is equal to RP. So then can I write here RP is equal to P3 by P2? Here RP is equal to P3 by P2. So P2 by P3 is equal to 1 by pressure ratio. So here 1 by pressure ratio into the value of the T3. T3 1 by RC into T4. So 1 by RC into T4. So T2 is equal to 1 by RP into 1 by RC into T4. I have find the value of the T2 and T3. Okay. Now in process 1 to 2, here this is the reversible adiabatic process. So three relation is commencing in 1 to 2, compression and isentropic. PV gamma is equal to constant या T V पे पावर gamma minus 1 is equal to constant और फिर P1 minus gamma T gamma is equal to constant. So here I have to find the value of between the relationship between temperature and volume. So 1 to 2 T V gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. So here in process T1 by T here T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 gamma minus 1. So here we can write T1 is equal to V2 by V1 gamma minus 1 into T2. Okay, now put the value of the T2 in this here V2 by V1. What is the value of V2 by V1? V2 by V1. V1 by V2 is equal to compression ratio RK. So I can write V2 by V1 1 by compression ratio RK power gamma minus 1 into what is the value of the T2? 1 by RP into RC into T4. Okay. Now T1 is equal to 1 by RK gamma minus 1 into 1 by RP into 1 by RC into T4. Okay. Now I have find the value of the T1 is equal to 1 by RK gamma minus 1 into 1 by RP into 1 by RC into T power 4. Okay. Now in process 4 to 5 isentropic once again. So T4 V4 gamma minus 1 is equal to T5 V5 gamma minus 1, and here find the value of the T5 is equal to V4 by V5 gamma minus 1 into T4. Okay. Now here what is the value of V4 by V5? V4 by V5 we can write 1 by RE. Here 1 by RE expansion ratio gamma minus 1 into T4. So here we can relate Rk is equal to Rc into Re. Here compression ratio is equal to cutoff ratio into Re. So we can write Re is equal to Rk by Rc gamma minus 1 into T4. Okay, any problem? So here T5 is equal to Rc by Rk gamma minus 1 into T4. I have find the value of T1, T2, T3, T5 as aspect of T4. So I have not required to find out the value of the T4. Okay. So here put the value of T1, T2, T3, T5 in this equation. Here efficiency is equal to 1 minus T5. Now here you know that efficiency is equal to 1 minus T5 minus T1, T5 minus T1 by T3 minus T2, T3 minus T2 plus gamma T4 minus T3. Once again I see T3 minus T2 plus gamma T4 minus T3. Put the value of T5, T1, T2, T3 in this equation. This is the main equation first, and you can find all of that things. Suppose here equation first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here find the value of the 7 this way. So here put the value of T5 in this equation. T5 Rc by Rk gamma minus 1 into T4 minus T1. What is the value of the T1 here? 1 by Rk gamma minus 1 into 1 by Rp into 1 by Rc into T4. Okay, by here T3. What is the T3? 1 by Rc into T4 minus what is the value of T2? 1 by Rp Rc into T4 plus gamma T4 minus what is the value of T3? 1 by Rc T4. Okay, now we can write here Rc T4 here, Rc gamma minus 1 by Rk gamma minus 1 into T4 minus 1 by Rk gamma minus 1. Here we can T4 T4 here T4 common. Okay, I will proceed next. 1 by RK gamma minus 1 into 1 by RP into 1 by RC, we take common. T4 from both terms by here we take 1 by T4 by RC in common. Take common T4 by RC because T4 by RC in both terms. So here 1 minus 1 by RP plus gamma. We can take common T4. Here 1 minus 1 by RC. So we can write here 1 minus efficiency 1 minus here 1 minus, okay, 1 minus here T4 here RK gamma minus 1 compression ratio is in both terms, so we take common 1 by RK gamma minus 1 here RC gamma minus 1 minus so here RC gamma minus 1 minus take RK 1 minus gamma here 1 by RP into 1 by RC by here T4 by RP RC, we can write RP minus 1 plus gamma T4 by RC minus 1, okay. And next here I have already discussed T4 in this term. Here T4 1 by RK, this I have here RC gamma minus 1 1 by RC RP, and here T4 by RC 1 minus RP plus T4 gamma 1 minus 1 by RC, okay. Now here we take LCM from both terms, and here RC gamma minus 1 into RC into RP minus 1, okay. And here T4 by RC take common LCM RP minus 1 RC RP plus here T4 gamma take LCM here RC minus 1, okay. Now here we can take here in both terms here RC gamma minus 1 into RC 1, nothing, it means 1 power 1, then RC both is in same, so power will be added, so here is equal to RC gamma. Now here RC gamma RP minus 1 into RP by RK gamma minus 1 into RC into RP into T4 RP minus 1 plus gamma RP RC minus 1. So here RC will be cancelled, RP will be cancelled, T4 will be cancelled, okay. Then here RC gamma RP minus 1 by RK gamma minus 1, and here RP minus will be here. So this is the efficiency of the dual combustion cycle. This is efficiency of the dual combustion cycle. Now let's revision of this, right. I have draw PV and TS diagram here 2 to 3, 3 to 4 heat addition, and here heat rejection. We know that efficiency work done upon heat supplied, it means 1 minus Q2 by Q1. So